Hi everyone, I am Palak Singh, a second year student pursuing the degree of BCA from Poddar International College. Today I'd like to share my journey, how college has shaped me personally, technically and professionally. Talking about my technical journey, I have learned web designing skills and got an internship in my first semester at Sangam Technologies. This experience helped me to gain real industry exposure at an early stage of my career. Along with my technical skills, one of the biggest opportunities I have received presenting my idea along with my team at Eureka, Asia's largest startup event. It was an incredible learning experience which boosted my confidence and teamwork skills. Some of my key achievements include Eureka Zonals qualified LUB Top 30, first prize at Scrap to Shine, second prize at Ideathon, and the Best Speaker Award and Best Team Award at Turncoat Debate. All these achievements have become possible because of continuous support and guidance provided by college and teachers. Currently, I am working as a student senior executive in TPO, where I help to organize events, conduct debates, and coordinating many more events. Overall, my journey in Poddar does not only help me to grow as a student, but also help me to grow as an individual with confidence, leadership qualities, and communication skills. I'm grateful for the opportunities and experience college has provided me. Thank you.
Poddar Group of Institutions